Standard 12 Unit 5 Indigo, page number 4950. At this point, Gandhi arrived in Champaran. Which point? Last time we stopped at that point. It was the issue of indigo. In one side, there were poor farmers, poor peasants. On another side, there were British landlords. And there was the conflict between the poor farmers and British landlords. And what was the main issue for their conflict? Main issue was indigo. So at this point Gandhi arrived in Champaran. So why Gandhi came here to Champaran? Gandhi wanted to solve this problem of poor farmers. That's why he came to Champaran. Gandhi wanted some more information about the whole case. That's why he decided to meet some authorities, some important person. He began by trying to get the facts. First, he visited the secretary of the British Landlords Association. Gandhiji met the secretary of British Landlords Association because secretary is the important person. And Gandhiji was thinking that if I would talk with secretary, then perhaps secretary would give me proper information about the whole case. But what is the response of secretary? Let us see. The secretary told him that they could give no information to an outsider. Actually, Gandhiji was not outsider. The British secretary was outsider because he came from Britain. But secretary gave answer in this way. What secretary said? Secretary said that he could not give any information to the outsider. At this point, what is the answer of Gandhiji to the secretary? Let us see. Gandhi answered that he was no outsider. So this point is also very important. Actually, Gandhi belonged with India. He was not outsider. That person was outsider. So this is also very important. Now let us see the next experience of Gandhiji. See how the British people were selfish. Here you can see. Next, Gandhi called on the British official commissioner of the Tirhut division. Called on means visited. Gandhiji visited the British official commissioner of the Tirhut division in which the Champaran district lay. Champaran district was under this person, one British officer. And the commissioner Gandhi reports. Now what is the response of that commissioner? What he said to Gandhiji? What he had done? Gandhi reports, proceeded to bully me. Proceeded means continue. That person, commissioner, British commissioner, was constantly, continuously forced to Gandhiji and advised me forthwith to leave Tirhut. Forthwith means immediately. What the British commissioner was telling to Gandhiji? He was telling, advised me forthwith means immediately to leave Tirhut. He was telling to Gandhiji to leave Tirhut, to leave Champaran, to leave that district. So we can say by these examples that British people, British officers were very negative. They were not interested in solving this problem. They wanted to exploit the poor farmers of Champaran district. Gandhi did not leave. Gandhi did not take care of the advice of the commissioner and Gandhi did not leave the place. Instead, he proceeded. Proceeded, we have seen the word continued. To Motihari. Gandhiji visited one place, Motihari. What is Motihari? The capital of Champaran. That is the center of Champaran, and Gandhiji visited that place. Several lawyers accompanied him. Accompanied means gave company. Some lawyers were also with Gandhiji. At the railway station, a vast multitude greeted Gandhi. At vast multitude means a big crowd. So many persons came, and so many farmers या person met Gandhiji. He went to a house and using it as headquarters, and Gandhiji selected one house as the headquarters. Gandhiji, lawyers and the farmers, they were discussing the important issues of the case in that house because they kept that house as the headquarters. Page number 50 now. Now there was a clash between Gandhiji and Britishers. We have seen this thing, and after then what happened? An official notice. Now Britishers, they sent one official notice to Gandhiji, and what about the notice? To quit Champaran immediately. Now they wanted to take some legal action against Gandhiji. That's why they sent this type of notice. Gandhi signed a receipt. Gandhi got the receipt and he signed. Gandhi signed a receipt for the notice. Gandhiji signed, but what Gandhiji wrote on that receipt? And wrote on it that he would disobey the order. Disobey the order means he would not obey the order. That means Gandhi would not leave the place. Gandhi would not leave Champaran, Motihari. So Gandhi wrote in this way. Now what happened? Morning found the town of Motihari black with peasants. In the morning time, so many peasants means farmers, came. Black means full. This place, Motihari, was full of the farmers. There were so many farmers who came to meet Gandhiji. The whole Motihari town was full of farmers. Black with peasants means full of farmers. They did not know Gandhi's record. Actually, those people, those farmers were illiterate and they were not aware of Gandhi's record. They did not know Gandhi's record in South Africa. For them, Gandhiji was a new person. They did not know the history of Mahatma Gandhi. Why? Because they were very poor and illiterate people. They did not know Gandhi's record in South Africa. They had merely heard. The farmers had only listened that a Mahatma means Gandhiji, who wanted to help them, was in trouble with the authorities. There was only one thing in the mind of the farmers, that one good person, one Mahatma type of person, one Mahatma means Gandhiji, wanted to help them, but now that person means Mahatma Gandhi was in trouble with authorities. Authorities means British officers, and British officers called Gandhiji to come in court. The government was, now there was a big crowd in the court also. It was so big crowd of farmers that the government was baffled. Baffled means confused, because there was also a terrific fear to the British people. And that's why the prosecutor requested the judge. Prosecutor means lawyer. The lawyer, the advocate requested to judge to postpone the trial. Why they decided to postpone the trial? Because around the court there was a big crowd of farmers, and all the farmers, they came here to give support to Mahatma Gandhi. And that's why the advocates had fear. The British advocates had fear. And now, after then, what happened? They postponed this trial, and they gave new date to Gandhiji. And next time, what happened? When the court reconvened means restarted. When the court was started again, the judge said he would not deliver the judgment for several days. Even the judge was in confusion, because judge had observed the tremendous support to Gandhiji. So what the judge said? The judge said he would not deliver the judgment. Judge said that he would not give the judgment for several days. And not only this, but meanwhile he allowed Gandhi to remain at liberty. Liberty means freedom. And meanwhile, the judge had given Gandhiji freedom, that he would. Meanwhile, he allowed Gandhiji to remain at liberty. He had given Gandhiji freedom. Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Majhur Haq, and several other prominent lawyers had arrived from Bihar. These were some important advocates of India, and they came from Bihar. I am repeating some names, just keep in the mind. Rajendra Prasad, Brij Kishore Babu, Maulana Majhur Haq. All these were the prominent, very important, famous, outstanding lawyers of the country. And they also decided, these lawyers also decided to give support and fight against the Britishers. They, means the lawyers, accordingly went back to Gandhi and told him they were ready to follow him into jail. Gandhiji asked one question to the lawyers. He said that suppose the British people, the British officer sent me in jail, then the lawyer said that then we are also ready to go with you in jail. And when Gandhi listened this answer, Gandhiji became so happy that Gandhi said to the lawyers that the battle of Champaran is won. This sentence is very important. What Gandhiji said to the advocates, the battle of Champaran is won, he exclaimed. Lieutenant Governor of the province had ordered the case to be dropped. At last, what happened? When the British people found the popularity of Gandhiji, and that's why the Lieutenant Governor of the province means that area, had ordered the case to be dropped. He gave order to drop this case. civil disobedience had triumphed. Triumph means won, and in this way it was the triumph of civil disobedience, the first time in modern India. So this case was this case is looking simple, but this case is so important that it is the, we can say, the basic in the freedom fighting. I hope you understand the lesson.
Thank you.